Why are we still hearing about workplace problems such as turnover, burnout, disengagement, and bad bosses? My 50-year journey into leadership and how to fix the workplace for good started in high school when I lost 3 elections. In honor of this achievement, my graduating class voted me class optimist. That's how they saw me. The principal of Hollywood High saw something more in me and put me through 3 leadership development programs, which changed my life. This accelerated my progress so fast that by the age of 24, I was promoted to general manager of a restaurant with 50 employees. On my first day, I saw a memo from headquarters about 8 goals I was expected to achieve. As I read each goal, I thought, I can't do that by myself. It would take all 50 employees. That's when I realized these were not my goals. They should be the goals of every employee. So I shared them with all the employees, hoping it might make a difference. 3 months later, those 50 employees achieved all 8 goals. Running that restaurant helped me discover the key to fixing our workplaces for good. Since then, I've been on a long and winding journey into leadership and the workplace, working with organizations in 36 industries. These questions keep haunting me. Why haven't all the programs on leadership, culture, teamwork, and retention fixed the workplace for good? Why does Gallup's survey of millions of employees show that only 34% are fully engaged? Which means that 2/3 of employees are either disengaged or partially engaged. Why do we keep hearing so much about employee turnover, burnout, and bad bosses? I'm on a mission to fix the workplace for good. Imagine workplaces where we want to go to work, workplaces where we're treated as human beings with dignity and respect. Join me as we explore a new definition of leadership based on voluntary influence that replaces all the existing 4,000 definitions. Voluntary influence doesn't just clarify our understanding of leadership. Voluntary influence changes the relationship between management and employees that paves a path to fix workplaces for good around the globe.